Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll see few some more set methods which we have. Let's say here I am taking two sets. One x set x contains Google, Microsoft, Apple, and set y contains Facebook, Tesla, and Apple. So now in this video what we are going to see is, let's take one variable, and here we are going to see is we are going to find the difference between these two sets. So let's say I wanted to find the elements which are present in X but which are not present in Y. So how to do that? If I give difference of Y, if I give, now if I try to print Z, so here what it is doing exactly is, so whatever elements which are present in the X, whether it will check whether those elements are present in the Y or not. If those elements are not present in the Y, then it will filter out those particular elements and it will write those elements to us. And we have, like, let's try and see what it will do in other way. Let's try and to find the difference from Y to X. Let's take a variable like b y dot difference of X. Now let's try to print b. Then you'll get more clear picture. So if you see over here, I think I have not executed this. Oh, sorry. It is having one of my previous outputs, that is why. So here what it did exactly is, in this case, it is trying to check the elements which are present in Y. It is like checking all the elements which are present in Y with X. So since here Apple is present in both the cases, so it is not writing those. And where like Facebook and Tesla are not present in this, that is why it is writing those things here. And similarly, we have another method also similar to this. We can like parallel, instead of doing this, like instead of going difference, we can directly update this data also. Let's say you wanted to update the X and Y data. Let's say you wanted to update the difference whatever is coming in the X list, X set. So in that case you can try this one. So if you try to print X now, let's print X here because Z and X has same output. That is it. So if you see here, what it did is we gave the option like different underscore update. So what this different underscore update will do is, first it will find out the difference, then it will update that particular set accordingly. So every time whenever you wanted to compare any set with any set, you have to give the source set here, and whatever the subset you wanted to give, that one you can give over here. So this is how difference and difference update will work. This is all guys. Thanks for this watching this video. Let's catch up in the next video.